Today, we're standing on an ancient agricultural plot, and before us rises a house composed of 3 white volumes interwoven with century-old stone walls, as if it had sprouted from the historic ground itself. Pou House occupies a rural lot in the interior of Formentera, Spain, defined by dry stone walls and traditional agricultural layouts. The site stretches parallel to a nearly 1-kilometer road oriented to the south, with dense vegetation shielding it from the afternoon sun while preserving the most fertile land for cultivation. The house sits on the western portion of the plot, respecting the pre-existing conditions and echoing the agricultural scale of its surroundings. Its design is fragmented into 3 volumes aligned from south to north. The first, set forward, includes a porch that provides solar protection. The second gathers the most public areas: living, kitchen, and social spaces, while the third contains 2 bedrooms. Between these volumes, transverse bands physically separate each block, allowing cross-ventilation, natural light, and fluid circulation paths. A front cistern ensures water self-sufficiency and doubles as a solarium during the cooler months. From the porch, framed views open to the surrounding wheat and oat fields, where soft earthy tones and the greens of fig and almond trees shape the landscape. Materials such as ceramics, wood, and white brick allow the light, color, and texture of the exterior to infuse the interior spaces. The ceilings feature Mallorcan-style ceramic vaults, while terracotta tiles cover the floors, reinforcing the connection with local building traditions. Most of the furniture was custom designed and integrated into the architecture. Iconic pieces such as the 1,934 Torres Clavé armchair and traditional Formentera chairs dialogue with Mediterranean craftsmanship, while contemporary pieces like the D12 collection, dining, and coffee tables introduce subtle material and chromatic contrasts. The transition between volumes occurs through narrow passages and openings that offer continuous visual connections between blocks and the surrounding landscape. Ceramic cladding is used on facades, roofs, and even the headboard wall of the main bedroom, serving multiple roles as texture, coating, and finish. White, vitrified porcelain light fixtures and switches maintain aesthetic coherence with the surfaces. Varying ceiling heights create shifting visual encounters with the sky or architectural elements such as the ceramic vaults as one moves through the house. In wet areas, the vertical walls are covered with greenish glazed tiles, adding a visual freshness to the environment. Light filters through perforated ceramic blocks, creating a dynamic play of light and shadow throughout the day. The interplay of light and shadow, amplified by the perforated ceramic blocks, creates a visual rhythm that defines this living architecture. corridors and smaller gaps enhance the sense of rhythm in the walking experience. In the morning, soft light gently penetrates the interiors. At noon, the white walls and ceramics balance the brightness. And at sunset, long shadows reveal textures and depth. Pou is an architecture that honors its roots and agricultural context. At once contemporary and timeless, it connects elegantly to the rural landscape of Formentera, a home built with lightness, silence, and presence.